This video will demonstrate how to adjust the refill threshold to variable water conditions and how to utilize the numbers for troubleshooting the refill circuit for an open or shorted circuit. Reverse osmosis filter systems in our water in different geographical locations can have different conductivities. By adjusting the refill threshold menu according to water condition, the brewer refill circuit will be able to perform without error during normal operation of refilling the water tank. The long liquid level probe with the blue wire is the main refill probe circuit which has a direct correlation to the refill threshold menu. This number shows the actual condition or conductivity of the water when in contact with the long refill probe. A low left number typically ranging from 0 to 4 means there is no need for an adjustment. A high left number typically ranging from 50 to 140 means you may need to adjust refill threshold. This number is a factory set threshold number of 155. The number is adjustable according to water conductivity. The threshold number is the trigger point for activating the refill circuit. This is why it is important to check or adjust for naturally soft water and the use of reverse osmosis filter systems. Disconnect the brewer from the power source and allow tank to cool. Turn off water supply. Remove the top cover. Ensure the brew lockout switch is in the off position. Pull long liquid level probe with the blue wire straight up from grommet. Clean refill probe of any mineral deposit buildup. Then reinsert probe into grommet. Turn on water supply and reconnect to power source. To access refill threshold menu, press and hold the right hidden switch until the display screen reads Brew Wizard. Then press and release the right hidden switch until the display screen reads Refill. Record the left number when water is touching long refill probe. Follow this procedure to figure out where to set the refill threshold number for less conductive water or low TDS, total dissolved solids. Take 255 plus 64 equals 319. Take 319 divided by 2 equals 159.5. You can round up to the nearest whole number. Always make sure refill threshold number on the right is larger than the number on the left when water is touching the long refill probe. When finished, select Done. This saves the new setting and advances to the next function screen. To exit programming and return to the main screen, press Enable Brew On/Off switch. Enter Level 2 programming and scroll to Refill Threshold menu. In all Bund brewers, the factory default is 155 for the AXIOM, which has a slightly smaller tank. Adjusting the refill number from 155 down to 75 has been more reliable number for the AXIOM series brewer. When finished, select Done. This saves the new setting and advances to the next function screen. To exit programming and return to the main screen, press Enable Brew On/Off switch.